Guys, I'm sorry I'm sick while reacting, but anyways, I'm going to be reacting to Meow's Discord question videos. Whatever.
Reading Meow's Discord questions, part 15. Is Meowbot trans? Happy Pride Month. Meow is trans.
But you were a girl before.
Gender. Meow hopes you all support. Can you say lesbian rights? Lesbian rights.
Yeah, that's okay.
Meowbot. Burp ASMR 1. At Meowbot. Don't support LGBTQ. It's wrong. It's not right to hate on gay people just because of your religious beliefs. Hashtag stop homophobia. Reading Meow's Discord.
I don't understand why some people are different gender, so I probably just don't believe in them, but I don't hate them, okay?
How high can your voice get?
But you already have a kawaii voice.
How do I command dream sexual to my parents? Be who you are.
That's a good thing. Says be who you are.
Yes, that is cute.
I don't really understand about LGBT, but I don't hate them.
But what religion are you part of?
That isn't even a true religion.
All hail the
don't
great
have
Lord
one.
Meowba. In the name of Meowba, the most gracious, the most merciful, all praise
got
is due to
people to wear
Meowba,
this
Lord
for
of the
you.
universe, the most gracious, the most merciful, owner of the day of purification.
When will Meow release an original song? Meow-chan? Kawaii idol? If this video gets 20k likes, Meow-chan will make an original song.
Oh well.
Reading Meow's Discord questions, part 13. Meowba, are you fasting for Ramadan? Wallah, baby. Of course Meow is. Happy Ramadan, yeah? Meowba, are you Muslim? Yeah, can't you
But in the video after this, you were not Muslim. Gosh.
tell by the hijab?
I'm sorry, I'm being annoying, but I wonder what I look with a hijab on.
Silly Billy.
I'm sick of her.
Mashallah. What do you do with Ramadan Day? Meow wakes up and starts praying to Allah. Oh, Allah Habibi, please, God Meow's boy.
Are you eating?
Amen. Inshallah. Then, Meow reads the Quran. Mashallah, sister! Meow, but do you have Roblox? Meow does! See? Meow, but do you watch South Park? Yeah! Meow, but in South Park, so
Oh my god.
Hello? Reading Meow's Disc.
Maybe not. Oh god, this is actually pretty good. No, I can't even animate.
Reading Meow's Discord questions, part 12. Meowbo, what do you think about Turkey Tom making a call-out video on you? He clearly wants Meow. Meowbo, do you believe in friendship is magic? Nuh-uh, My Little Pony is for kids and Meow's just too grown for that. How does Meow feel about JoJo's Bizarre Adventures? Meow got bored after the first season. Genuinely one of the worst animes out there. Meowbo, will you give me the chance to smell your toilet seat after a massive shake?
No!
Knock yourself out.
God damn it.
Meowbo, how's your K-pop group? Sugoi! Here's a preview for our first ever song we just released. Oh my god, you're so handsome now. I was really hoping that it will come through.
Oh my god, don't be new, yeah, asking all the...
Again, I really think it's pretty good. I'm not sure if it's hard because more, just leave out Discord chat.
Reading
Why
Meow's
are you
Discord
black
questions,
now?
part 11. Did Meow know February is Black History Month? Of course Meow knows. Meow's a supportive ally. Meow, who are your favorite Black creators? Meow Daisuke.
Hi, I'm reacting to a Meowba video, so please don't reveal out my
Erica
name.
Senpai. Meowba, how did you show your support during Black History Month? Meow donated all Meow's Patreon money to many Black supporting charities.